Hey guys, let's make this granola parfait with fruit toppers. Yes, all you need is oats, just like 500 grams of oats, rolled oats. You mash 2 bananas for me, mash it till it's soft. Welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. In this channel I talk about my life in the UK, things happening around me. I do cooking videos and I do different things just around me. So if today is your first time of watching, please, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to subscribe, like and share to your friends and family. It's Christmas season, it's festive season, so feel free because I'll be dishing out a lot from this channel. So mash these bananas very well. If you're not okay with 2, you can make it up to 3 depending on how sweet you want yours to be. Pour into your oats, you sprinkle some cinnamon for me, and you add this fresh grated coconut. Yes, I used my grater for this, so the coconut is still fresh. So when you have sprinkled your coconut, you go in with good almond amount, just like 500 grams of almond, 250 of cashew nuts, and you sprinkle some honey for me. If you don't want to use honey, you can use golden syrup. You can also use date syrup. So feel free to do what you want, and feel free to incorporate more nuts to yours if you want more. I added more cinnamon for good taste. I stir just to make sure everything is tasting nice, not too sweet but perfect. So I added more oats to it, sprinkle my last coconut, and I make sure everything is looking beautiful. More almond nuts, and I stir more and more. Don't forget, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget, just give me thumbs up, just like encouraging me. I love what you're doing. Just thumbs up. I like your video, thumbs up, nothing much. So feel free to give me some thumbs up. So I will stir, making sure that everything is well incorporated. Look at this. This is food made in a bowl. It's looking nice already. So all you need is to get your baking paper and put in your oven tray or your air fryer tray, and you start to spread it evenly. Spread on your baking paper. At this point, make sure you've already started preheating your oven for me. One thing is sure, if you have a fryer, a bigger one, my dear, you are good to go, because it will not take you just little minutes. This thing will be ready. But I'm gonna be using oven. I noticed my air fryer is a little one, and one thing I have always enjoyed about it, it makes things easy, especially when I'm baking, when I'm cooking with it, or when I'm roasting with it. Everything as an air fryer's own comes out first before the oven own. So this one is going straight to my oven right away. Now I'll be sprinkling some for my air fryer. I'm putting a little because my air fryer is not that big, but it's okay. So but one thing is sure, air fryer will always be the first to come out because it's very fast. I love it when I'm roasting with it. It doesn't take time. So you can see the ones in the oven looking pretty good. You have to, please don't just put it and go away. You have to be stirring. You wait for a few minutes, 5 minutes, you stir again so that it will not burn, especially when the heat is coming through the top or it's coming through the dam. Make sure you're stirring everything for 5 minutes. Please keep stirring. When you're good, everything is the way you want it. Me, I love my own a bit brown before I'll bring it out. So right now you can see it's getting brown just the way I wanted. So right away, let's check the air fryer on and check. See what's going on the air fryer. Very brown, more than the one in the oven. To tell you, my air fryer is very fast. So we'll just pour it out, allow it to cool off, and we'll pack in an airtight container. Very important. So when everything is very cold though, so in these plastic transparent plates, I'll be making my granola parfait. Yeah, just for you to be seeing how everything is being done. I brought out my Greek yogurt. Feel free to use any yogurt of your choice. I brought out my honey. I just put some Greek yogurt inside my transparent plate and I spread evenly. And I did the same to the second batch because I'm preparing this for me and my hubby, because hubby is just somewhere there looking at me, waiting for this to get ready for him to start enjoying. So right away I spread it evenly. I went out and picked my granola, homemade granolas. Please see, you can get granolas in the shop, but I tell you, the one you make at home is the best. Yeah, when you make things at home, you run away from a lot of preservative. So I sprinkle, when we talk about Greek yogurt, it's tasteless, especially sometimes it tastes soured, as if sloppy. So I have to sprinkle some honey down on the top of the yogurt and go in with my granola. Very, very well, looking nice. This granola, you can drink it as if you're drinking cornflakes. You can enjoy it this way. I love it this way. This is just like a beautiful thing you need to try. So I spread the second time just the same way before I top another granola. See, if this is festive season, please try something new. This is something you can try for your friends, family, husband, children. I promise you they will come back asking for more and thanking you so much. Sprinkle some honey a bit. Like I told you, Greek yogurt is tasteless to me, so I have to incorporate some sweetness to it by adding some honey. So right away I sprinkled more, and I'll go in again with my Greek yogurt again. Spread. This is just like a full meal. Eating this in the afternoon before I will eat again, it will be almost close to bedtime. I tell you, this is a full meal jam-packed with a lot of nutrients. So this time around, I'll just sprinkle my honey again, and I'll go with my fruit toppings. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed to this channel? If today is your first time, you're welcome. Please feel free to be a part of my channel by only subscribing. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Please don't forget to like. So feel free to comment and say you like what you are saying. So this is my toppings. I'll be using banana and some blueberries for it. Wash your blueberries with salt or vinegar water, depending on what you want. I washed with salt and good to go. So I spread evenly, and that was it. Ready to enjoy my Granola Parfait. A little bit of topping for decoration. Indeed, my husband enjoyed this. This is beautiful, jam-packed with nutrients. So feel free to try this in this festive season for family, for your children, for your hobby, and I promise you they will all come back asking for more. Thanks a million for watching, and don't forget to like. I love you all. See you in my next video.